One students.
Good morning, sir.
Exercise.
Thank you.
Exercise 3.1. Question number 3. Students, read the question properly. What is the sum of measure of angle of a convex quadrilateral? What is the sum of the measure of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. Non-convex means होता है concave. Now students, what is the sum of measure of angle of a convex quadrilateral? The sum of measure, student, that is your convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral in which each angle is less than 180 degree. Measurement of each angle is less than 180 degree. This is your sphere and it is a convex quadrilateral. Student, sum of interior angle of a convex quadrilateral is of 360 degree. Note down it. The sum of measurement of angles, the sum of measures of the sum of measures of angles of a convex quadrilateral is of 360 degree. 360 degree. Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Yes, this property will hold. Yes, this property.
Yes, the property
This property will hold for non-convex quadrilateral. Non-convex quadrilateral. Student, next part is,
Sir, please show an example.
will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. Students, make a non-convex quadrilateral. Non-convex quadrilateral.
Sir, I made that and I tried, but this property doesn't hold on that quadrilateral.
Student, this property will lie.
सर, मेरे पास क्या लिखा है? क्या क्या है?
Student, wait. Wait. Student, this is a non-convex quadrilateral. This is a non-convex quadrilateral, and your sum is this angle whose measurement is more than 180 degree. Measurement is more than 180 degree, and interior angle, sum of interior angle will be 360 degree. 360 degree. Students, sum of it is more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. And sum of interior angle, yes, the sum of interior angles of a non-convex quadrilateral is of 360 degree. 360 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Students, in convex quadrilateral, sum of interior angles, these are your interior angles, will be 360 degree, and this is your convex quadrilateral. Non-convex quadrilateral, the sum of interior angle will be 360 degree. Will be 360 degree. Student, have you any doubt, any problem? You can ask me. Aditya,
No, sir.
Arav,
No, sir.
have you any problems?
No, sir.
Sachin,
No, sir.
Anand Dwivedi, Risu,
No, sir.
Aditi Singh, have you any doubt, any problems?
Sir, please open the
Students, I have checked your weekly test, and I have sent, after checking, I have sent back in the group. Have you checked? Have you checked your
No,
paper?
sir. So you haven't sent the you have sent the result of 8B and I'm not sure.
8A student I have sent in 8A, 8B student I have sent in 8B, 8C students I have sent in 8C after checking. Have you received or not?
No, sir.
No,
So you
sir.
have sent
Sir, 8B we didn't receive.
8B.
We not received?
So you have sent in front of 8B and 8C and 8C.
Who is not received?
8C students.
8C
Sir,
student.
class 8B also.
Please check your groups on please check your group of Sunday. आपने संडे का ग्रुप चेक
Yes, sir.
कीजिए.
We have sent. So you have sent the result of 8B and 8C group by mistake.
Okay, student. I will resend it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Now, student, any doubt, any problem in this question? Sachin, what is the problem? What is the problem? Now, student, next question is. Now, student, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles, and sum of the angle deduced from that. Students, in triangle, sum of angles 180 degree. If side is your 4, sum is 180 degree. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with the following number of sides? Fourth first part. Students, the sum of convex polygon, the sum of angles, the sum of a convex polygon, if number of sides are, if number of sides, that is n is 7, and number of sides, if n is 7, the formula will be, how can you find out? Soumya Shukla, what is the formula to find the sum of interior angles of n-sided polygons? Soumya Shukla. Am I audible to you? The sum of interior angles of a convex polygon of n-sided polygons. Poonam? Yes? Poonam? Poonam, please tell me. Yes? N minus 2 into 180 degree.
180.
Your n is 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 5 into 180. 85 is 90. 900. Student, do it fast. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Now student, third part. Sum of interior angle of a convex polygon of number of side 10. Sum of interior angle of a convex quadrilateral of n-sided polygon. Student, with the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. But n is equal to 10 is given.
So they will simply write the formula.
That is 10 minus 2 into 180 degree, and your 9 into 180 degree. 8 into 180 degree. 18 is 144. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Student, question number 5 in homework. Question number 5 in homework. Can you do it? I have already discussed in introduction. I have already discussed in introduction of this chapter. Now student, find the angle, measure x in the following figure. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6, first part. Student, find the angle, measure x in the following figure. Yes, friends.
So what is polygon coordinate?
Student, polygon is a closed figure which is bounded by line segment. पॉलीगन आपके पास क्या है? ट्रायंगल भी हो सकता है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी हो सकता है, आपके पास हेक्सागन भी हो सकता है, आपके पास पेंटागन भी हो सकता है, ऑक्टागन भी हो सकता है, डेकागन, नोनागन, एनी कैन बी और पॉलीगन. जो आपके पास एक क्लोज फिगर है, जो क्लोज फिगर जो लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हुआ है, जो लाइन सेगमेंट से बना, ये पॉलीगन आपके पास, या आपके पास पॉलीगन है जो लाइन सेगमेंट से, ओनली लाइन सेगमेंट से फॉर्मेशन देता है, या आपके पास पॉलीगन है. ठीक है, या आपके पास क्या है? एक पॉलीगन है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No sir. No sir.
स्टूडेंट, पॉलीगन क्या है? जरूरी नहीं है कि पॉलीगन हमेशा क्वाड्रिलेटरल ही होगा. पॉलीगन आपका ट्रायंगल भी हो सकता है, पॉलीगन आपका क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी हो सकता है, पॉलीगन पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, हेप्टागन, ऑक्टागन, नोनागन एंड डेकागन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स?
Okay.
ओके.
क्वेश्चन में खाली उसके नाम लिखने हैं.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 किसके? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में. व्हाट इज रेगुलर polygon? State the name of regular polygon of 3 side. Yes, name, 4 side name and 6 side name. You have to define that what is regular polygon. I have already discussed in the introduction what is regular polygon, and name the polygon whose side is 3, that is triangle. Name a polygon whose side is 4, that is quadrilateral. Name a polygon whose side is 6, that is hexagon. Now student, question number 6. First part. Students, the figure is given such that this is your 50 degree, and this angle is your student, this is 50 degree and that is 130 degree, and this is your 120 degree, and we have to find out the angle x. Students, Balkishan,
Sir,
what is angle sum property of a quadrilateral? What is angle sum property of a quadrilateral?
This side is 180.
Students, I am asking that what is angle sum property of a quadrilateral? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral.
360 degrees.
360. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is of 360 degree.
360 degree.
360 degree. Student, we are labeling it A, B, C, D. Student, in quadrilateral A, B, C, D. In quadrilateral A, B, C, D. As we know that sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is of 360 degree. Now student, 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now students, that is your 250 plus 50, that is 300.
300. X is 60.
X, that is 360 degree. Now students, we have to find out the value of x. 360 minus 300, that is your 60 degree.
60.
Student, any doubt, any problem?
60 degree.
Okay students.
Equal to 60 degree.
Yes student, yes.
No, sir.
Now student, third part.
Top weight.
Now student, third part. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Wait. 70, 60. 70 degree, that is 60 degree, and this is your x and 30. X and 30 degree. Student, you have to find out the value of x. Students, in polygon, how many sides? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students. Now, student, I am considering that this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Student, please tell me that. Listen to me. This is your line, and this is your line such that this angle is your 60 degree, and between these angles. Student, it is a straight angles. And sum of straight angle is of 180 degree. It is your linear pair angles. Linear pair angles क्या होता है? एक straight angles पे क्या होता है कि adjacent angles, अगर दो adjacent angle का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. क्या होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है.
180.
अगर आपका ये 60 है तो ये 120 हो जाएगा. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No,
इसे कहते हैं लीनियर पेयर एंगल्स. लीनियर पेयर एंगल्स होते हैं. ठीक है? Come to the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends.
The part B is homework.
Yes, part B is homework.
Okay, sir.
Can you do it?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Now, students, 70 plus angle 1. 70 plus angle 1. बताइए.
Sir, I have done the question.
70 plus angle 1. 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है यहाँ पे. Student, it is a straight line. It is a straight line, and this line stand on it. This angle and this angle. Sum will be 180 degree. 180 degree. Yes, student. Now we have to find out the value of angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110.
110.
Now student, next one is, that is angle 2. Angle 2 plus 60 degree, that is 180 degree. This is your linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Now students,
Sir, x is equal to 50.
angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. 120 degree.
120.
Students, your angle 1 is equal to 110. Angle 2 is equal to 120 degree.
120.
120 degree. Okay, student, do it fast.
So we have done.
Student, the sum of interior angle of and sided polygons. The sum of interior angle of and sided polygons.
Sir, x is equal to 50.
No problems. Student, do it fast. Have you done?
Sir, done.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Student, now we proceed this question. Now student, we have already, that is 70 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. We have to find out the value of x, and this angle is of 30 degree given. Student, number of side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student, sum of n sided polygons. Sum of the sum of interior angles. Interior angles of n sided polygons. N sided polygon. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. What is n? N is the number of sides. N is equal to 5. That is given. So 5 minus
5
2
minus 2.
5 minus 2.
into 180 degree. 3 into 180 degree. 18 3 is 540. 540. Okay, student. Now 110 plus 120 plus x plus 30 is equal to 540. 540 we have already found out. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No.
No,
That is 540. Now students, yes students, yes students, who is speaking? Sumit Singh, who is speaking? Student, your voice is not clear. Speak again. Speak again. Ask me, what do you want to ask? Student, what do you want to ask? Please tell me.
सर प्लीज स्क्रीन दिखा दीजिए।
ये दिखा दीजिए। Students, 120 plus 30, that is 150. 150 plus 110. 150 plus 110, that is 260.
260.
X plus x. X plus x.
2x.
Twice of x. That is 540. Now students, twice of x. 540 minus 260. Twice of x. 540 minus 260. Please tell me that.
280.
280. Now student, what will be the x?
140.
X is equal to 280 divided.
280 divided by 2. That is your 140. X is equal to 140. X is equal to 140. 140. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now student, question number 7, first part. Question number 7, first part. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Student, question number 7, first part. Student, this figure is such as. X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, students. 30, 90 and 90. Student, we have to find out x plus y plus z is x plus y plus z. So, yes, student, please tell me, what do you want to ask?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, please.
Sir, please see the screen.
I am not able to see 7 pen.
Now screen is shared.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है।
Screen is shared.
Yes, sir. Screen is here.
Okay, students. What is angle sum property? Risho, sit properly in the class. Sit properly. Student, what is angle sum property of a triangle? What is angle sum property of a triangle?
180 the sum of all three angles of a triangle.
Student, we will consider it as angle 1. Now 30 plus 90 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now student, please tell me that what is angle 1? 120. Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. What is angle 1?
60.
60. 120 minus 120. That is angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. 60 degree. Now student, we have to find out the value of x, y and z. And we have to hold the value of x, y and z. Now student, 90 plus x will be
90 degrees.
90 plus x is equal to
The 90.
180.
180 degree.
90 plus x 180.
90 plus x equal to 180 degree.
Why?
180.
Linear pair angles.
Because of linear pair.
Linear pair angles. Linear pair angle. Now student, what is the value of x? 180 minus 90 is equal to 90.
Nice.
Now student, we have to find out the value of y. 60 plus y is equal to 120. 180. 180. Why? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. So student, angle y is equal to 180 minus 60. That is 120 degree. 120 degree. Now student, z plus 30.
P plus z
180 degree. Linear pair angles.
180 minus.
Linear pair angles. Z is equal to 180 minus 30. That is z is equal to 50 degree.
150.
Now student,
150 degree.
what is x? X is 90 and now we have to find out the value of x plus y plus z. X is 90. Y is student 150. 150. Z is 150. Okay? Z is 150.
Yes.
Now student, x 90, y 120 and your z is
150.
150. Student, add all these values. That is 90 plus 120. That is 360 degree. We note down it.
360.
Note down it. Note down it.